All right, y'all, this is a 2012 Chevy Cruze LTZ 1.4 liter. It has a P0171 fuel system running lean code, as you can see. Turn it on. Car runs fine, like nothing crazy. It's just check engine lights on. I'm showing you a quick diagnosis for this. Y'all gonna walk over. So typical things right here is this PCV valve will leak. You put your finger on it. All right, here's the new valve cover. Got it from AutoZone, about $100. Not too bad. Let's go ahead and jump into this repair. Disconnect your battery there first of all. Make sure there's no shorts going on. Give you all a little breakdown of what I'm going to be doing. Just getting some of my tools. First things first is you're going to want to take that intake little cover off to give you some more room. It should be just a 7mm, and then you're going to want to put a little rag in the turbo there. Make sure nothing falls down there. Aside from that, over there on that right side, there is going to be the map sensor, the throttle body, an O2 sensor, and then that sensor that connects to the coil pack. You're going to want to unplug all of them to make sure you have enough room to be able to pull the valve cover up. And then all around it, right, you just want to make sure that you move all those little plastic pieces off to the side so that the valve cover can come straight up. Overall, very simple. Just remember, these 2012 Chevy Cruze or any of these Chevy Cruzes, they're all cheap. These 1.4 liters, the plastic will break, so you have been warned. When breaking the bolts on the valve cover as well, make sure you do that by hand, not with a power tool, and then you can go back again and loosen them up with a power tool. You just don't want to strip the bolts on the initial break. Just like that, it should come right off. Now there is going to be some sealing right here where the front cover meets the engine block, just to make sure that the valve cover doesn't leak. It's standard to put it right there and on the back side right there, so make sure you clean it up so that you can apply a fresh new little patch of sealant there as well. So here I'm taking off any residue with a Scotch pad off of the top of the engine here, making sure that our valve cover gasket, the new one at least, has something, you know, clean to adhere to, and you just want to clean it up using some brake clean and just make it all nice and clean. Okay, now we're going to be putting it all back together here. I like to start the bolts all by hand. Of course, again, you just don't want to cross thread anything or over tighten anything. I believe that these bolts or the top are aluminum. So I have in the past have issues with them being stripped and pulling the threads. So you just want to make sure you're diligent about, you know, putting these things back together. Just like that, it is alive. Let's check it out here now. As you can see, PCV, no more leak, no more air. Should be all good. Just want to make sure you check everything, check your sealant spots here, make sure no oil is leaking. I did leave the car sitting for 90 minutes before turning it on, just to ensure that everything here was going to be sealed properly. As you can see, that's the back side where you put the other piece of sealant. Overall, not a bad little job there. As you can see, you just have to move some of those little plastic pieces around, and then yeah, I mean, just place the valve cover and make sure that there's no leaks around after installation. I'm going to head back into the car here as well. As you can see, there is going to be no check engine light, so all good. Now time for a quick little oil change as well. Might as well knock it out since I'm already working on the car. Go ahead, jack it up real quick. It's going to be a 10mm. And for the oil filter, it's going to be a 2257 AC Delco, and you're going to need a 24mm socket to be able to replace that. 5W30, it takes 4.2 quarts. I typically put 4.5. You should be good. If you guys like this video, go ahead, like it, share it, subscribe. I'm new to this whole content creation stuff, but hopefully I can teach you guys a few things about being able to fix your own cars and not having to take them to the mechanic. So yeah, go ahead, like and subscribe.